Signed up for the YouTube TV free trial and don't want to get charged? Here's exactly how to cancel your membership before the trial ends, whether you are using an iPhone, Android or computer. If you don't cancel your trial, YouTube TV will automatically charge you when the trial period ends. So if you are not planning to keep it, cancel early. You will still have the access to the full service until the trial officially expires. Here's what to do from an iPhone user. Open tv.youtube.com in Safari or Chrome. Tap your profile photo in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Membership. Tap Manage, then tap Cancel Membership. Tap Cancel one more time to confirm. Your trial will end after your current billing cycle, and you won't be charged. If you are an Android user, open the YouTube TV app, then tap on your profile icon. Go to Settings, then Membership. Tap Manage, then choose Cancel Membership. Confirm the cancellation with prompted. Your free trial will be cancelled. If you are using from your computer, then go to tv.youtubetv.com on a web browser. Click your profile photo in the top right. Select Settings, then Membership. Click Manage, then click Cancel Membership. Confirm your choice when asked. Your membership won't renew after the trial ends. So that's how you can remove your YouTube TV free trial. Quick and easy, no hidden steps. Remember, you can still watch everything YouTube TV offers until the trial ends, even after cancelling. If you change your mind, you can always restart your membership anytime. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick streaming tips.